Have you ever wondered about the impact of the digital world on your child's development? The question may seem daunting, but it's one we can't afford to ignore. So today, we delve into the world of screens and their effects on our kids. The modern world is replete with screens. Televisions, smartphones, tablets, and computers have become integral parts of our lives. They entertain us, educate us, and connect us. But when it comes to our children, there's a growing concern about the excessive use of these devices. Excessive screen time can lead to a host of problems. For starters, it can breed sedentary behavior, potentially leading to health issues like obesity and poor posture. And it doesn't stop there. There's sleep disruption, academic distractions, and even hindered social development. Imagine a world where our children struggle to communicate face-to-face because they're so used to interacting behind a screen. It's a sobering thought, isn't it? And then there are the behavioral problems: increased aggression, impulsivity, and difficulty in self-regulation, all linked to too much screen time. But the impact doesn't stop at behavior. Extended screen time can cause physical discomfort too, like eye strain and fatigue. Long-term, these could even lead to vision problems. And then there's the risk of exposure to inappropriate content, cyberbullying, or even online predators. Even the development of essential skills like creativity, problem-solving, and critical thinking can be impaired with too much screen exposure. And perhaps most concerning of all is the potential for dependence on screens, making it challenging for kids to engage in non-screen activities. The picture painted is a rather grim one, but it's not all these risks. Promoting a balanced use of screens is crucial. Encourage your children to engage in physical activities, interactive games, and reading. Establish screen-free zones and times at home. Make sure that screen use doesn't interfere with sleep, meals, or family interactions. And remember, it's not just about limiting screen time, it's about making screen time productive and educational. Equip your children with the skills to use these devices responsibly. Teach them about online safety and guide them towards age-appropriate content. The digital world is here to stay, and it's not inherently bad. But like anything in life, it requires balance. So as parents, it falls on us to ensure our children navigate this digital age in a healthy and safe way. Take action today. Start monitoring and limiting your children's screen time. Not only will it help their physical and mental health, but it will also equip them with the skills they need to thrive in this ever-evolving digital world. Remember, the goal isn't to eliminate screen time, but to create a balanced digital diet for our children. It's a challenge, no doubt, but one worth taking on for the sake of our children's future.